In this video, I'll show you how you can change and view your FPS in Roblox. Now this is super simple, guys. What you want to do is just head into a Roblox game, and from in here you want to hold down the shift button and F5. Now if you do this, you'll see your FPS right here will open up. Now you can see mine is currently on 144, and that's because I have it capped. So if you want to change it so it can be higher than that, what you want to do is open up settings by pressing escape, go to settings in here, and where you see maximum frame rate, you can change this to whatever you'd like. Now if I change it to 60, you'll see it will go down to 60. If I change it to 240, it will go back up to 240. Of course, this is based on your PC, so if you cannot handle 240, it will not go up to 240. So choose the one that you like. I like playing on 144 because that's my monitor. And that's basically how you can do it. Shift plus F5 will open up and close down the FPS. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.